Hello friends, online lecture of Object Oriented Programming. SND College of Engineering and Research Center Yeola, Department of Computer Engineering. Myself Professor Savkar Dhanashri, Department of Computer. Subject is Object Oriented Programming. Unit number 1, Fundamental of Object Oriented Programming. Topic will be Fundamental of Types. Integral, arithmetic, user defined. Boolean true 1, false is 0, character is could be signed or unsigned. Implementation define. Arithmetic is single by default and double void pseudo type. User define class, also short, long, struct, float. Micros, dangerous of compiler never see them source code translation unit global. Instead use constant inline template and enough. Memory allocation on the stack block delimited by curly brace. Object allows till it fall out of scope. Call constructor and destructor on the heap. New and delete replace Molac and Colac free. Object exists independently of the scope in which was created, also on the free store or allocated in dynamic memory. Be careful, new delete. For safety, same object should be both allocated and deallocated. Local static store. Global variables is built-in type initialized to 0 but local variable uninitialized. Initialize before main invoked. Initialization order within a translation unit same as definition between translation arbitrary order. Names maintain a constant name style. Long name for large scope, short name for small scope. Don't start with underscore, reserved for special facilities. Avoid similar looking names. I and one. Choosing good name is an art. Access control. Public visible to everyone. Private visible only the implementer of this particular class. Next, protected visible to class, this class and derived class. Good rule of thumb, member function public or protected. Member variables are private. Default class function is by default of each class has member function, constructor, destructor, copy constructor, assignment operator. These call all appropriate function on each member variable. Be careful if this is not what do you want to, then either override and disallow by making private. Constructor and destructor copy constructor creates object. Destructor destroy cleanup object. Be able to temporary objects. Initializer list assign value inside constructor and use initializer list. Concrete classes. A concrete class does a single relatively small thing well and efficiently. Hide data member encapsulation provides clean interface. Acts like a built-in type is a foundation of elegant programming. Store trap. Don't underestimate in the importance of the basics C++ OF features. Class and relationship. Okay, a call function from B. A create B. A has data member of the type B. Bad. A use data directly from B without using B's interface. Even horse. A directly manipulated data in B. Pointers and array reference. Use 0 not null strong type checking. Name of array is equivalent to pointer to initial element. Access array using star or same efficiency with modern compiler. Use std vector not built-in array when possible. A reference is like a pointer. A reference is alternate name for object. There is no null reference, no pointer to a null reference, no reference to a temporary. Syntax confusing. Basically a count dereferred pointer with no operation. Thank you friends for watching this video.